Hi everyone! Now we'll walk you through steps you can take on your computer. We have many different settings for our notifications, and if you're having problems receiving them, it might be because some of them are turned off. Let's make sure these different settings are on at every level. You need to have subscribed to a channel in order to turn on notifications. If you've subscribed to a channel but aren't receiving notifications, it may be because the channel's notification settings are off. When you visit the channel, click the bell next to the subscribe button. If you don't want to miss any notifications, make sure you have all checked in the window. Then click Save. Now we'll walk you through steps you can take on your Android device. Tap your account icon. Now tap Settings, then Notifications. First, make sure that you have Notify on this device toggled on, and turn the sound on if you want sounds for your notifications. In the channel's Home tab, tap the bell next to the subscribe button. If notifications aren't enabled for the YouTube app, you'll see the option to enable them in your device's settings. When you tap the bell, you'll see options appear at the bottom. When you tap on Options, you can choose the frequency of your notifications. Welcome to the last video in this series. Now we'll walk you through steps you can take on your iPhone or iPad. Open your device's Settings app. Now tap Notifications. On this screen, tap YouTube. Make sure Allow Notifications is turned on.
Hey everybody, happy Thanksgiving, happy holidays. Okay, welcome back to my kitchen. You saw the thumbnail. Let's get to it. We are doing banana cream pie my way. As I know there's going to be a lot of people out there say that's not right, but I'm doing it my way. But before we get started, guys, like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to get that bell. Get that bell. You can't get the bell, can you? Don't forget to hit the bell to get notified. And please tell your friends, your family, your neighbors all about SoulfulT and what she's cooking up in the kitchen. So today, guys, we're doing banana cream pie my way. The first thing you're going to need is a pie pan. This is a 9-inch pie pan, okay? Very deep. I love this pan. It was a gift from me by one of my subscribers way back when. I love this pan. And secondly, we're going to need some graham cracker crust. Yes, I love mine with graham cracker crust. I don't see it going any other way. You either buy the crumble or make the crumble. I made my crumble. I used cinnamon graham crackers I got from Aldi's. Under $2. It's a great buy. And I use 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Okay, we're gonna do a cut. Okay. I got my graham crackers from Aldi's. 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Ground it up in my food processor. If you don't have a food processor, you could put it in a sandwich bag, pizza bag, and chop it up. I had some melted butter. I use a half a stick of melted butter just because I don't have a spoon. I don't want to touch this right here. I need a spoon. Let me see. But I get spoon. Voila.
Fork?
Nope. I got this. And I just wanted to get it wet, get some texture to it. And I hope I did enough as far as just a half a stick of butter. Sometimes you gotta do a little bit more, but I just want to get it nice and wet so that I can have it stick to my pie crust pan. So you heard that? That was my oven. I don't think I need all of this, but I'm just gonna see. I'm gonna do a little at a time. Oh, it's nice and warm. Because my oven is on 350, you guys. And this is gonna go in the oven and cook for approximately 10 minutes. And then I'm going to come back and show you guys how I make my banana pudding. I'm going to show you what I do. It's not vanilla pudding. A lot of people Okay, we got some conversation to have. But let's get this together first. Because I like that crust to be up the sides. Because on the back, I like that back part that has some structure. I want it to go up. So, and I use 2 whole packs. If anybody want to know, this is 2 packs of graham crackers that I crunched up. So yeah, I will be using all this. And I saved some graham crackers because it's going to be my topping. I'm going to get some at the bottom. I want that bottom to be nice and thick. Yes, I hope everybody's done their shopping. You guys are getting ready for the holidays. Oh my God, it was October, then it was November. I saw this funny post. Somebody said, it's almost Thanksgiving. It was just November the 1st, 2 days ago. I thought that post was so comical. Of course, Raina retweeted or reposted, and I saw it on there. Yeah, look at that. My crust, I like it up to the side. This is going in the oven, guys, for 10 minutes. Get those cracks filled in. "10 minutes in the oven. This is how I like it. I love a graham cracker crust on lemon meringue pie, banana pie. If you ain't got a graham cracker crust, Lord jeez, I'm not eating your pie. And you say, so what? You ain't got to eat it. Ooh, this smells so wonderful. Okay. "10 minutes in the oven. Look at my pie crust. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, this is my pie crust. It did 10 minutes in the oven. The house is smelling good on graham crackers alone, okay? But we're going to let that stay right there, and we're going to move over to my pudding. Okay, this is pudding. Where I go different at, first of all, let me tell you what you guys need. I have 1 cup of sugar, 3 egg yolks, 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. Some people use flour. And I'm going in with 2 cups of milk. And I'm going to turn my stove. And you're going to need like a tablespoon of butter, some vanilla extract, and banana extract. Yes, this is what I differ at. Just because when people make banana pudding, they put in bananas after they make their pudding. They chop bananas up and layer it into the, you want to stir immediately because you don't want your eggs to cook. They chop bananas up. And guys, save those egg whites. You can make some egg whites for breakfast. They chop bananas up and put inside their pudding, and they call it banana cream pie. But you make a vanilla pudding. So I don't use bananas because my mother is allergic to bananas. My kids don't like bananas to theirs. So what I have done, I got banana extract. Because at the end of the day, you want that banana flavor. And if you just make vanilla pudding, you're not getting banana flavor. Even when you layer it in bananas, only time you get that banana flavor is when you pick up a banana with your pudding. So I use a teaspoon of banana extract, half a teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 tablespoon of butter. But we haven't gotten to that part yet. And that's how I make mine, to top of a whipped cream and put some graham cracker crumbles on top, girl. Okay. You know, I didn't make that sound good. You stand aside, used to bite of it. Okay. This right here is a thing. Has to get thick. So I'm going to sit here, I'm going to stir. You guys go to the bathroom, do what you want to do, get some water, get some soda, and come right back. Ooh, stand back, girl. Okay, guys, this is nice and thick, how I want it. And at this point, I'm turning it down really, really low. I'm not turning it off. I'm going in with my butter. You know, butter makes the world turn around. And I'm just going to go in with 1 tablespoon, if I can get it. I just had it already cut. I'm not trying to burn you, boo. 1 tablespoon of butter. I'm going to turn it off now. I'm going in. Remember, I have the banana pudding. Where you at? Where you at? Banana pudding extract by McCormick. You can't go cheap on this. You have to get the real deal, you guys. 1 tablespoon, or teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of that. And, ooh, I got the banana all over. That smells good. Because I want this to actually taste like banana pudding. And I'm using 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla. Now, if you don't want to do all this, buy some banana instant pudding. And there it is. Or, if you get some, because you know it's Thanksgiving, everybody and their mother making banana pudding. So you go to the store, and they sold out of banana pudding. Just get some vanilla pudding. Buy some instant banana pudding flavor. Add a teaspoon. Girl, y'all, I'm all over the place. Add a teaspoon to that, and you will be set. I know it's hot. I want to make sure it tastes like bananas. Oh, yeah. That's all she wrote. I'm turning this off. Hot and off. And we're going to move over to our pie shell. And I hope I made enough. Ooh.
Nah, get the rest of that off.
I am. This is a deep dish. I don't know. I know I'm putting, yeah, that's enough. It's because it's going to be topped with whipped cream once it's all said and done. So guys, I am going to let this cool off really, really quick. I'm going to sit this on my counter, let this cool off about maybe 15 minutes. Then I'm going to take some Reynolds wrap, place it flat down on here because I don't want to get that skin. Going in the oven. No, it's not.
Oven?
No. We trying to burn down the house. It's going in the refrigerator about 4 to 5 hours, even possibly overnight. And we're going to come back, top it with some whipped cream and some graham crackers. So with that being said, see you tomorrow. Okay, we're back. Same day. I didn't realize the time. So this actually set in the refrigerator for over 5 hours. It's like 11 o'clock at night here in DC. But I'm going to finish this video. I put my whipped cream in the pastry bag with the tip. And I'm just going to do just like this. All the way around. And I'm starting to wonder, I should have ate that other whipped cream. Because, yeah. Me being greedy. I don't think I got enough whipped cream. Oh, I got to refill this. I got some more. I'm almost there. Look. Okay. Let me add some more whipped cream to my bag. Well, guys, I barely made it, but I think we did it. I think I had enough whipped cream. Yay! Now, I had some leftover graham crackers that I just crumbled up, and I'm just going to sprinkle over top of my pie like that. As much or as little as you like. So, this is my banana cream pie. Guys, hope you love this video. Like, share, subscribe, and remember, this is done my way. If you want bananas in it, just slice up 2 bananas, mix them with your pudding, and pull it in. We don't like bananas here, okay? So let's cut. Oh, wait a minute now. I said it was set up. Now that I'm cutting, it's the greediness of it all. When you cut, you mess up. Ooh, that is. The greediness of it all. Oh!
Uh-oh.
That's okay. It's not that ready. But guess what? That ground crust. Ground cracker crust. I should let it set overnight a little bit more. Guess what? We were being greedy in my house.
It'll set up in our bellies.
Yeah. And it's gonna set up some more. You're being so greedy. There's a greediness get you guys. And that's okay. Let yours set. I'm getting it all. I am gonna put this back in the refrigerator and let it sit overnight. Oh my God. I need this right.
Rustic.
I had no words. I have no words. But like, share, subscribe, hit that bell to be notified. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving. This is my banana cream pie, done my way. Remember, that's it for 24 hours. My family greedy. They can't never wait for nothing. Okay? Oh my God, this is so good. I'm about to eat this. Happy Thanksgiving. These to do what? To place your food on. That is so beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed my little DIY.